Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stabilizing the telescope. Set it on the mount and lock both axes so the tube cannot rotate. Once locked, make sure you're in a clean, dry workspace and put on lint-free gloves to protect optics. Remove any accessories like eyepieces or finders, then locate the lens cell screws or retaining ring. Begin loosening those screws a quarter turn each, alternating around the ring to relieve tension evenly. This avoids stress on the glass and keeps the optics aligned as you prepare to remove the lens. Once the retaining ring is loose, support the lens with a soft pad or your gloved hand and lift it straight out. Avoid tilting, which can chip the edge. Inspect the lens cell for any old adhesive or sealant and remove it gently with the recommended solvent, making sure not to touch the optical surfaces. Place the new lens in the same orientation, seating it centrally. Finger tighten the retaining ring in alternating steps until snug. This secures the element without stressing the glass, preparing you to realign. After installation, perform a coarse collimation using a bright star or a point source at 50 to 100 meters. Make small adjustments to the cell or spider vanes, then tighten screws incrementally while rechecking alignment. This ensures you don't introduce tilt. Once focused, check the field across the frame. If you see coma or asymmetric stars, loosen the ring and repeat the seating process, verifying spacer thickness and that the cell sits flush. If problems persist, inspect for warped cells or cross-threading as the primary trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.